Are you looking to charge all your mobile devices in one place without having numerous chargers plugged into a power strip, or have your devices spread all over your desk? Keep watching to find out how. The Manhattan 10-port USB charging station is ultra-powerful with 10 ports pumping out a total of 120 watts of power. To help with organization, 10 wide bays fit most devices in their cases, keeping the countertop clean and clutter-free. This charging station plugs into any standard wall outlet and offers rapid charging. All ports feature smart built-in safety measures to prevent short circuits, over-voltage, over-current, and overheating. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, with Manhattan products, life just got easier.